guys, hit subscribe and subscribe on my face. This is called part 2 of the new gift. So let's do this. I'm not gonna speak on this rate, so please don't have anyone noising you in the backgrounds. So let's do this. Okay, anyways, let's do this. Oh, done. Okay, fine, I'm gonna speak. Good morning, honey. Good morning, honey. I think you gotta go to work. Go get ready, and I'm gonna go get ready too. Sure. Okay, go to there, and I'm gonna go change my clothes. I'll just play with our phone. It's time to go get ready. I'll get this for my set. Oops. I'll wear this. Take this off. What the Don't worry about that, guys. What is happening right now? Ewan ko na rin, guys, but don't worry, I'm okay. This is actually a sponge, so yeah.
Galing. Galing naman ni Jingay. Ayaw mo dito, babe.
Oops. Ganyan pala ginagawa dito sa tsaka dito. May pinanood na video pag ginanto mo. Tsaka yung gatas. Nasaan yung milk? Doesn't work. Are you serious right now? Trash. This is trash. That's how to make a sponge. Now, let's do this. I hope I'm not gonna speak now. Ay, hindi niya to, Dad Lisa. This is his brother, so I'm gonna make another bread for his other brother, so yeah. Ay, wag na, yun.
Sarap. Sana ganito. Ganito, okay.
Ayusin namin yung room.
Ito na.
To and
Thousand Islands yun, diba?
and
yung
here
orange.
you had it. It doesn't work. You had a boyfriend. Wait, I don't know. Oops, sorry about that. That means low-bat na, guys.
Ang sarap eh.
Malalobat na.
Wala siyang mahilig sa tuna eh.
Get this out of here. Bakit? Nakabukas lahat ng bags. Sorry, I'm just gonna ice
Yeah,
these
fruit
up.
salad babe.
Kuting na si
Ano kasi nilalagay sa ano?
Broom. Lasing yung broom eh.
Ngayon.
Nakakita yung ganun.
What lasing? Kasal nila.
Walang tao yung siguro mga tao.
Kailangan nyo ano? Baby,
yan guys
Wala, bloody hell me.
Hindi, may lumabas eh. Mother-in-law tapos groom.
Groom who had one too many.
Ano one to me?
Nakarami.
Dainom. Iba na kasi Anong salad yun? Yung mayroong fruits.
Fruit
Hindi
salad.
fruit salad. Ito.
namatay yung game so napatay
Tapos merong
napatay
mani.
siya
Merong...
so namatay yan
Mangga. Ano to? Ay, hindi. Ano yun, Ben? Kani salad, yung may mangga. Yung kanina. Ito Kewpie. Yung kanina kasi, ganito din yung ganun din yung ginawa, pero walang mangga. Yung unang-una, wala siyang mangga, pero sweet corn.
Thousand Island nga yun.
Tapos gumawa lang siya ng
yan yung brother
ng sauce
niya
niya. Hindi naman sinasabi, ideas lang nakalagay, nakakainis. Pero, pero ito lang yung hoy, makinig ka, si Aiza Gaya-Gaya, pinalitan niya na yung pangalan niya eh. Kasi sabi ng mga, followers niya, Aiza Gaya-Gaya yung pangalan niya. Sa lahat ng mga nagaganon, siya lang yung consistent na ganun yung yung masaya pa din siya, yung natatawa siya. I mean, hindi dahil sa, kasi di ba kailangan mo maging ganon. Wala, hindi ko ito kinain. Nagirapan ko utangin to, tapos yung kakainin. Hindi mo masarap. Baka niluwa nyo na to. Yung may plus isip ka, pero patay gutom ka.
kaya naman yung Girl, can you get me some water? Hindi, nagpipicture ko. Okay, fine.
Take a bath. Take a bath ka na.
Wait lang. Bibidyo muna ako. Ano? Water?
Ano po?
Ano po? Water?
Oo.
Dito yellow. Hey,
Hindi malamig.
hey.
Ay! O, kani?